Welcome to Tools Met. Today, we're reviewing a CNC machine that has become a popular choice on Amazon for woodworking, engraving, and small workshop production. If you're looking for a CNC that balances performance, precision, and affordability, this one definitely deserves your attention. Right from the start, the build quality makes a strong impression. The solid metal frame is designed to reduce vibration, which is extremely important for accurate cutting and clean engraving results. Whether you're working with wood, acrylic, plastic, or soft metals, this CNC machine stays stable and performs consistently. When it comes to performance, this machine delivers smooth and reliable operation. The precision stepper motors provide accurate movement along all axes, allowing you to handle detailed engravings and complex carving designs with confidence. The spindle offers steady power during both light and long cutting sessions, and the adjustable speed control gives you the flexibility to work with different materials easily. From fine text engraving to deeper wood carving, the output remains clean and professional. Another major advantage of this CNC machine is its user-friendly design. The setup process is straightforward, and the included instructions are clear enough even for beginners. It supports popular CNC software such as GRBL, Candle, and Lightburn, which means you can start creating projects without needing advanced technical skills. This makes it a great option for hobbyists, DIY creators, and small business owners who want to expand their production capabilities. In terms of value, this CNC machine offers a lot for its price. The key highlights include a sturdy and durable frame, impressive cutting accuracy, smooth motor performance, wide software compatibility, and beginner-friendly operation. However, it's important to mention a couple of limitations. The working area may feel a bit small for larger projects, and if you plan to cut harder metals frequently, upgrading the spindle would be a smart choice. Overall, this CNC machine delivers excellent performance, reliability, and versatility for its price range. If you're searching for an affordable CNC machine on Amazon that can grow with your skills and handle a wide range of projects, this is definitely a solid option. This is Tools Met. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check the product link in the description.